Hey, this is Jonathan with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. So today I want to talk about the top 5 things as we come into hurricane season. Hurricanes come up and they can come up fast, and they can not only affect Florida, but they can affect all along the Gulf Coast, which is Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Louisiana. And then it can go around the other side of Florida and come up to Georgia and South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. So we work in these areas, and we want to tell you the things that you can be prepared for and the things you can do to make sure that you are safe and ready when the next storm approaches. So, number 1, top 5 things that you can do is you need to know your evacuation route. You need to know where you're going if you need to get out. If storm flood starts coming, if it gets serious, you need to get out. And I will say this, if you are in a place in the line of a storm that's going to be a Cat 3 or better, I encourage you to go somewhere else, get away from your home. But some of you that are just determined, there are some things that you need to do if you're going to stay and wrestle with that storm. Number 2, top thing, you need to board up any kind of windows and doors. If your windows and doors are open to the winds, they can blow in when it gets hard enough. And worse than that, debris that comes from limbs and different things that are blown around can blow through and burst the windows. Even if your windows can withstand the wind pressure, many times they can't stand the debris pressure. So you want to make sure that you board up with some plywood, OSB, something like that, all your windows and doors that are open to the storm. Number 3, bring all loose articles into your house. You have deck furniture, you have potted plants, you have things that can be blown over. Get them into a garage inside somewhere so that they cannot turn into little bullets that fly around your house and damage property, cars, vehicles, and everything else. So make sure that you get stuff inside your house. And 4th, you need to get all the essentials that you think you need. You need to plan for power outages. So you need to make sure you have food, you need to make sure that you have batteries, candles, and anything else that you think you would need in a prolonged period of power outage that can often happen when a hurricane blows by. So even if you're on the outer bands of these things, these are all the top things that you need to do. I'm going to go again. Number 1, know your evacuation route. 2, board up your windows and doors. 3, bring the things inside that will blow around. And number 4, you need to absolutely prepare and have all the essentials that you need. Food, water, fuel, things that you'll need that you can get through the storm for an extended period of time should your power go out. And number 5, you need to charge up your cell phones and put in speed dial 1-800-977-6638. That is Elevate Roofing and Exteriors. And once the storm passes, call us, let us come out, do an assessment, take care of things. If you got leaks in the roof, we'll tarp it. If you've got damages around the house, we'll help you. We've got an incredible team of professionals that are willing and standing by ready to help you. We're getting prepared just like you're getting prepared. So when this storm comes and passes, give us a call, 1-800-977-6638, or online, www.elevateroofingandexteriors.com, and we'll get there to help you get past the storm.